I made a coper for my skateboard truck, the Ace 66 9.35, right? Just a video for me to watch in the future, just on my mistakes on my coper that I just made. It's sliding too much. It slides over here, it's definitely going to hit my wheel and I'll die. Slides over here, it's nice and flush. Still probably hit my wheel a little bit. So I had my designs that I drew out, right? Trying to pinpoint everything just to make it not have the sliding. If it didn't slide, honestly, this would be fine. Mistakes, you gotta learn from them, right? I made a little mark of where I should have cut instead of where I did cut. So I just gotta cut smaller just so the bushing is a little bit flush so it can smash into the side of the bushing, not move around as much. Back here, because it has a little lip on the truck, you can't really see it because it's covering. I should have cut a little smaller here and here, not as wide as what I did. Because it is 1-inch PVC and 1.5 wouldn't fit, there's so much air right here that I wanted it to sit kind of nice and flush on the hanger, but I don't know if I can fix that because I might have to get like 1/4 of an inch smaller or something. Finally got it off. So it looks like I have to go back to the drawing board and fix this up a little bit. If I end up making one that I really do like, I'll end up posting a video about how I make them, even though it's pretty easy. But yeah, you guys take care though.